Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 3rd August and the trade setup for tomorrow. See, this is a narrow CPR, right? And the distances are very wide between the Camarilla points. And observe the first 5 minutes candle. Here, the first 5 minutes candle is a slight gap down, and it is a good support at L3, right? Will you take a call position if it is a good support at L3? Yes, you can take a call position if it is a clear support at L3. But if you observe here, the body is very far from L3, right? If it is a clear support at this point and the body is here at this point with the support, then there will be a good reward for you. If it is at this point, your distance will be very good up to CPR. So it's up to you to take a call because it's only 1:1 ratio if you take a call at this point, right? And your stop loss will be up at this point and your target will be up to this CPR. See, exactly at the CPR it reversed, but you can't take a reversal at this point according to our strategy. So we'll wait for some time for a clear price action. And if you observe, it has consolidated for almost 2.5 hours. And if you observe the supports, this is a clear support, and also here this is a clear support, and these are the levels in the intraday first 2 hours. And if you observe clearly, after this consolidation, where the market is heading towards is important. Here this is a 20 MA. If you observe, the market is just this 20 MA is just it's just on a flat note. If you observe this, there is no even the market is not clearly giving a direction about the market, but this 20 MA is indicating that it is not moving at all, and the candles are just revolving around this 20 MA. And if you observe here, this is the resistance and this is the support. And after this swing again, it is testing the support for the third time. So the level is getting weak. It's what you should notice in the live market. And if it is heading towards this resistance, then the resistance is becoming weak and it may break this point. So in that way, after this revolving of these candles around this 20 MA, after the breakdown of this point, that is at clearly our Camarilla point L3, and a price action of breakdown from this support. So that was the reason you can take your put position at this point, and your target will be, even if you exit at this point too, you will get almost 60 points in the intraday. And if you wait for a clear trend, and if you want to exit in a green candle, then you have a very good profit today. And this is one type of pattern where the market will consolidate for some time and there will be a good fall, and again it will consolidate. It was what happened. If you observe, this is a pattern like forming a clear path and a fall, and again the same consolidation. And sometimes the market may take a trend in the morning itself, and then it may consolidate. So these are some patterns you should remember, and it will be easy to you with experience. If you notice this type of market, why you need to know this pattern? Because after this consolidation, it was a good move, right? If you are about to miss this trade and you want to take a trade, you'll just avoid taking a trade in this point, because you have a clear pattern that the market will again consolidate at this point. So you should not take a trade at this point, and if you miss this trade, just you'll be away from the market by knowing the pattern. So that was the reason you should remember some patterns to know and to avoid random trades. And we'll move on to the next day. Here this is a downtrend CPR, and it is again a narrow CPR for tomorrow, and also the distances are very wide for tomorrow. And it's all about opening location for tomorrow, and tomorrow is a Friday, and if it is in this range, it is going to be again on a weak note. But this is going to be a major level. Anything can happen. See, that will be a very good gap down, right? So it all depends whether it is a reversal or it's too early to decide the direction of the market. It all depends on the markets candle formations in the live market. So if it is a support or a break will decide the direction of the market. And if it is a gap up, so if it is a gap up sustaining above it or to the below it, if it is a reversal at H3, we have a clear patterns and we have a clear setups for every day. And if it is a reversal, we'll go for the put. Or if it is see, this is 200 EMA, right? So with this 200 EMA, if it is a reversal or a breakout, anything will be a good move for tomorrow. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.